All right. Oh boy, oh boy. Um, all right, so let's jump right into it. First of all, subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like. And check me out during the day on Twitter. I call out some trades. We hit a good trade today. Actually, just got one trade off. For most of the morning, I was just working on income trades. But then we did call out one trade. And I believe we got 500 a contract, 500 a contract, and 800 a contract. So it was another good day. This volatility, man, it gives it to you. You don't once a setup breaks, it just runs. You don't take any heat. I mean, it's not always like that. This is just how it is when you're trading in the volatility, as long as you're on the right side of it. But so we talked about what was going on, and let's see. Okay, right here. I believe we talked about it this morning. And here, this is my head and shoulder. And this line right here is my neckline. And once we broke that, this is on a daily, by the way. Once we broke that, traditionally, you do a last kiss and then the sell-off. So that's what happened today. We broke the trend line a couple of days ago, came into a little support down here, and then we did the last kiss, and then that was it, baby. Down she goes. Now the thing is with a head and shoulders. So here's the high. Here's the high, and you're talking about the 818, and here's the low of the neckline, and the low is 45.82. So you got 236 points. So usually the move is equivalent. Like this move is equivalent to the move from the break of the neckline. So really, our target should be 43.66. So that's going to put us right about there, which it makes sense because, look, I got a gap over there. I'll probably hit it. Looks like there might be another gap right down here, too. So this could be a pretty scary move for the most part. I mean, it doesn't have to do it right away, and we could get we should get a bounce in there because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 down days. Although these retraces are kind of the consolidation. So scary, scary stuff. Scary stuff. I mean, we're overextended. I don't know, man. I just don't know. I don't know. We could be making a move for that 200 day, which I think is the 44.27. So we're just going to have to watch it. I mean, the momentum is very strong to the downside. It doesn't seem like it's letting up. The trading today, you got that rally, but it seems like there are people freeing up cash. They have to roll over. This is like a hedge fund kind of tactic. They're selling into that strength. Trying to get out of huge positions that they overdid on themselves, and then once they start doing that liquidation, the algorithms pick up that volume and then start selling into that to create the shorts, and away it goes. So we'll have to see. I mean, that's a pretty big move over the past week or so, and hopefully we get a bounce tomorrow that holds, because this is the psycho broker probably, because we don't want I mean, people don't want to go into the weekend holding their shorts and stuff like that. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at, Jack. So if you enjoy my rant, and hey, Biden sucks, for all you liberals. Not that I'm a big Trump fan, but I'd rather an asshole than an incompetent. So anyway, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and hit me up on Twitter. It's at trading_off. And hey, tip your host if you're making money with me. I'll talk with you soon. Good luck trading.